Does soap absolutely annihilate the coronavirus? Let us first see about virus. A virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only in the living cells of an organism. Viruses are found wherever there is life and have probably existed since living cells first evolved. Viruses remain an inanimate object as long as it is in the outside. Viruses can infect all types of life forms, that is, plants, animals, microorganisms, and human. When infected, the host cell is forced to rapidly produce thousands of identical copies of the original virus. Viruses do not have an independent metabolism and are totally unable to reproduce outside of their host. They use the machinery and metabolism of a host cell to produce multiple copies of themselves, and they assemble in the cell. Not all viruses are bad. Viral infections at a young age are important to ensure the proper development of our immune systems. Some viruses can actually kill bacteria, while others can fight against more dangerous viruses. So, like protective bacteria, we have several protective viruses in our body. Bacteriophages are viruses that infect and destroy specific bacteria. They are found in the mucous membrane lining in the digestive, respiratory, and reproductive tracts. Viruses are spread by insects, air, water, and blood transfusions. The main routes of transmission of SARS and MERS viruses from animal to human or direct contact with intermediary host animals or direct consumption of milk and urine or uncooked meat. Viruses are fundamentally different from one another. Most viruses cannot be seen with an optical microscope. So, scanning and transmission electron microscopes are used to visualize them. Most viruses have a diameter between 20 and 300 nanometers. Components of viruses. A single virus is called a virion. The virion is composed of 2 or 3 components. First component is genetic material. The genetic material is made up of long molecules of DNA or RNA that encode the structure of the proteins by which the virus acts. Second component is capsid. Capsid is a protein coat which surrounds and protects the genetic material. Third component is phospholipid envelope. Viruses can have a lipid envelope derived from the host cell membrane. Some viruses have a phospholipid envelope and some do not have this phospholipid envelope. The capsid is surrounded by this phospholipid envelope. The surface of the virus with phospholipid envelope consists of spikes. These spikes are made up of glycoproteins. Based on the components, the viruses are classified into 2 types. Viruses with an outer phospholipid layer are known as enveloped viruses. Viruses without an outer phospholipid layer are known as non-enveloped viruses. The coronavirus is an enveloped virus. That is, it has got an outer phospholipid layer. The coronavirus is named for the crown-like spikes on its surface. The coronavirus needs the spike protein to infect a cell. The soap molecule has two different ends. One is hydrophilic, the other is hydrophobic. Similarly, phospholipid layer has got hydrophilic and hydrophobic ends. The water-soluble portion of the soap solution easily dissolves the water-soluble portion of the phospholipid layer of the coronaviruses. Similarly, water-hating end of the soap solution dissolves easily the water-hating end of the phospholipid layer of the coronaviruses. Hence, the phospholipid layer decomposes. Thus, viruses are decomposed and destroyed. The soap molecules then trap tiny fragments of the viruses which are washed away in water. So, wash your hands with the soap for at least 20 seconds. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.